Okay, we ready to have a star party? All right, take out the first piece. All right, let's set that up. Yeah.
I love it.
You love it. Is that it? I think so. We need the clip.
I want to try.
I'm gonna try it when we.
No, I want to try to look through that.
What? You're gonna look through it when we use it.
No.
All right, ready? Set it there. Okay. Now you're gonna use this piece. Kind of eye it up. Aim it up at the moon. That piece, this piece right here. See? No, this and
Am I looking there?
yes. Hold on. I'll be right back. We got a red light. All right, go ahead. Get it aimed up. Using this piece. Hold it.
Right?
Doesn't matter. Well, I'll set it. You hold it. And focus. You don't need to get that close. See it? No. Go ahead, look in there. Move around, look down. See this? Look at me. I don't see any stars. Telescope, then you didn't see at all at the time. You're not looking in the telescope then. Stand up, down here. Use your eye, look down. You don't see the giant moon in there? Yeah, you're supposed to. So describe what you see. Look at them closer. Those are craters from asteroids. Don't touch it with your eye. Close your one eye and look down in there.
Is that?
You see it? Look out the craters. You see all the craters?
If you look at the edges,
Look at the
you
edges.
see the bumps.
You see the bumps, yeah.
And I can see a little bit more.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Bump it. Close one of your eyes.
Whoa.
Look at the edge. Do you see the bumps? You see them? You're moving it. Don't bump your eye. Don't touch it. You don't need to touch it.
Whoa.